Hello guys, this is Amit Sarkar, lecturer of geography at Gobardanga Hindu College, and today in this video I am going to show you procedure of environmental soil quality index. You know what environmental soil quality index or ESQI is an essential tool by which you can assess the quality of soil. It indicates and denotes the physical, chemical, biological, and metallical characteristics and quality of soil. It is my personal opinion that environmental soil quality index is a good indicator by which you can judge or you can identify whether the quality of soil is in good condition or it needs some special nourishment. So, stay with me. Microsoft Excel, and this is the data. You can see the variables. The data is bulk density. This is the uh, physical characteristics or physical properties of soil. You can see the multiple variable. From this variable I am going to calculate the normalization value for each for each sampling site or each location site. For this purpose, you have to calculate minimum value, maximum value, sum, count, and average value from the given multiples variables. Now I am going to show you how to calculate maximum and minimum value. For this, for calculation of maximum value, you have to type max, then select the entire dataset and press enter. The value will be calculated. In the same way, to calculate the minimum value, you have to type min and then select the same data in the same way and then press enter. Now the maximum and minimum value has been calculated, and you can see that it should kept in mind that to calculate to normalize the value you must know the first value of the dataset. I am going to normalize the value. For this purpose you have to select on cell, put 0.8 from the keyboard, and then put multiply from the keyboard, then provide first bracket from the keyboard and select the first value from the dataset. Then press minus from the keyboard and select the minimum value from the and select the calculated minimum value that we have already you can see that we have already calculated the maximum and minimum value, and then provide then close the bracket from the keyboard. After that, divide from the keyboard, then again start first bracket from the keyboard and select maximum value, and then select and then provide minus from the keyboard and then again select minimum value from the, then close the bracket and type plus from the keyboard and type 0 point on and then press enter. You can see that the value has been normalized, that is 0.192308. You can normalize your data. Now it's time to perform on-skin transformation. For this purpose, firstly you have to calculate the count, that is how many data you are using. Notice that I am using 22 parameters. You have to divide each individual data by the total number of parameter we are using, that is 22. For this purpose, select the individual data, divide from the keyboard and select the number of parameter, that is 22, and the unscreen transformation result has been calculated. You can see the result, that is 0.02 on 3 something like that. I am going to calculate the second value, that is 0.15 screen transformation value. For the third parameter, 0.0122. In the same way, you can calculate screen transformation for the rest of the parameter. I am going to calculate the final task, that is environmental soil quality index. I have already mentioned the essentiality of environmental soil quality index, and the 22 parameters of soil is collected from on station. It indicates the data of on station. And to calculate the environmental soil quality index, firstly I am going to select a cell, then put is equal to, then type sum, and then select all the on-screen transformation value that I have already created. You can see that the value, then press enter and you can get the environmental soil quality index for this station, and you can notice the value, that is 0.38. There is another method by which you can separately calculate the environmental soil quality index for various soil properties, like for physical soil properties, what will be the environmental soil quality index? For chemical soil properties, what will be the environmental soil quality index? And for metallic soil quality index, what will be the value? So for this purpose, firstly, you need to identify the which parameters are physical, which are chemical, and which are metal. So here I am going to mark the physical characteristics or physical properties of soil in on color, and chemical properties of soil is in another color, and metallic properties of soil is in another color. So you can see the various types of colors has been used to indicate three kind of soil properties, and I am going to calculate the environmental soil quality index for the three kind of properties. Firstly, I am going to calculate the environmental soil quality index for physical properties. In the same way that I have already done to identify the soil quality index, we need to sum the value of physical, which belongs to physical properties, and in the same way we sum the value which belongs to chemical properties, and in the same way in the same way we sum the value and skin transformation value which belongs to metallic properties, and you can see that I have created the physical, chemical, and mechanical soil quality index. And you can see that if we sum this physical, chemical, and mechanical, the value will be 0.38. That is the ultimate value or ultimate soil quality index, environmental soil quality index. After the environmental soil quality index has been calculated, you can represent this soil quality index with the help of this kind of stacked bar graph. I have uploaded another video by which you can get the process of how to create this kind of stacked bar graph and how to modify this kind of bar graph.